unveiled at the 2011 Geneva Motor Show, the Aventador was destined to become a legend, representing the pinnacle of Lamborghini's engineering and design prowess. This V12 powerhouse was more than just a car. It was a symphony of speed, style, and innovation that captivated enthusiasts worldwide. The Aventador's origin traces back to Lamborghini's quest to create a successor to the Murcielago, one that would push the boundaries of performance and design. Named after a famous fighting bull, the Aventador embodied the brand's tradition of strength and ferocity. Its creation was driven by a desire to blend cutting-edge technology with the raw, visceral experience that defines Lamborghini. At the heart of the Aventador lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, capable of producing a staggering 690 brake horsepower. This engineering marvel propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The V12 engine, a hallmark of Lamborghini's lineage, was meticulously designed to deliver both breathtaking performance and an unmistakable auditory experience. The Aventador's exterior is a masterpiece of automotive design. Its sharp, angular lines and aggressive stance are instantly recognizable, a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to creating visually stunning vehicles. The car's iconic scissor doors, a trademark feature of the brand, add to its dramatic appeal, making every entrance and exit a spectacle. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Aventador is its use of advanced materials and construction techniques. The car's monocoque chassis is made entirely of carbon fiber, ensuring exceptional rigidity and lightness. This innovative construction not only enhances performance, but also provides superior safety and handling characteristics, allowing the Aventador to remain composed even at its blistering top speeds. Inside the Aventador, the cockpit is a blend of luxury and technology. High-quality materials, such as fine leather and Alcantara, create an opulent environment, while advanced features like a digital instrument cluster and customizable driving modes ensure that the driver is always in command. The interior design, with its fighter jet-inspired layout, emphasizes the car's high-performance pedigree. Over the years, the Aventador has evolved through several iterations, each building upon the foundation of the original model. The Aventador S, introduced in 2016, brought significant enhancements, including an increase in power to 730 brake horsepower and the addition of rear-wheel steering for improved handling. This evolution continued with the Aventador SVJ, which pushed the boundaries even further with a focus on track performance. The Aventador SVJ, or Super Veloce Iota, set a new standard for the series. With an output of 759 brake horsepower and a revised aerodynamic package, the SVJ was capable of lapping the Nürburgring Nordschleife in a record-breaking time. This achievement solidified the Aventador's reputation as a true performance icon, capable of delivering exhilarating speed and precision on the world's most demanding tracks. Lamborghini's dedication to pushing technological boundaries is evident in the Aventador's drivetrain and suspension systems. The car features an advanced all-wheel drive system that ensures optimal traction and stability, while its adaptive suspension provides a perfect balance between comfort and performance. These systems work in harmony to deliver a driving experience that is both thrilling and confidence-inspiring. In the world of supercars, where technology and innovation are constantly evolving, the Lamborghini Aventador stands as a timeless icon, Its blend of raw power, breathtaking design, and advanced engineering has set a benchmark that few can match. As the automotive landscape continues to change, the Aventador's legacy will endure, a testament to the vision and passion that brought it to life.